and welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are so excited to be introducing our brand new paper collection, Stripes and Sprinkles Autumn. We're also going to be introducing 6 new colors of sparkle cardstock and 2 new multi-packs. We're also going to be taking a look at 5 new tiny treasures, 2 new washi tapes, and also some awesome brand new vinyl stickers. So let's go ahead and check it all out. First up, we're going to take a look at our brand new paper collection, Stripes and Sprinkles Autumn. I love these colors for fall, and of course we have it in both a 12 by 12 size and a 6 by 6 size too. And first up, we're going to take a look at the 12 by 12 papers. This is Apple Bobbing, which is this really gorgeous red. Then we have Corn Maze, which is a beautiful golden yellow. We have Goblin, which is this fun kind of bluish green color that I think is just gorgeous. Full Moon in this beautiful navy that is my favorite color in the whole collection. Hocus Pocus, which is a really awesome bright purple. And then Haunted House, which is this really great neutral gray that I just love. Now here you can see all of those fun stripes, and then of course on the back we have all of those awesome dots. And for our 12 by 12 papers, you can get them in 2 different ways. There's a collection pack that has 2 of each color, so you get 2 of each sheet for a total of 12 sheets, just like that. Or we also have individual packs of just 12. So if you wanted just the Corn Maze yellow color, you could get a pack of 12 of just that color, which is really great, especially if you're making multiples of cards or invitations or something like that. Here is the 6 by 6 pad, which has all of the patterns reduced by about 50%, and there are 36 sheets total, and you get 3 of each design, which is really awesome. I love having the option of both the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6. The tinier prints are great for cards or smaller things, but sometimes I want the larger prints, and honestly, I go back and forth on my cards and all of my different projects. And then here we have a comparison so you can see the size difference between the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6 and how awesome it is to have both of those. Next up, we're going to take a look at our brand new colors of our sparkle cardstock. So we have Sapphire, which is a gorgeous blue. Then we have Aquamarine, which is a really great kind of turquoisey color. Then we have Rose, which is a really pretty soft pink. And then we have Magenta, which is a really, really bright pink. And then we have Amethyst, which is a really, really gorgeous purple. And then we also have Orange, which is like that perfect Halloween orange, which I just love. In each of these packs, you get 5 sheets. You get 5 sheets of the sapphire color or the aquamarine color, but we also have a multi-pack too. And this is our 90s tracksuit pack because this color combo, that's what it looks like. It looks like a 90s tracksuit. And so you get 1 of each of the colors, which is a really fun way to try it out. So you have the amethyst, you have the magenta, you have the rose, the aquamarine, and also the sapphire. And look at that sparkle. Isn't it gorgeous? Now, we also have our Halloween pack, and in this pack you get 3 sheets of the black sparkle and then 2 sheets of the orange sparkle, which is a really fun mix for Halloween. Now, I love this sparkle cardstock because 1, it is just so sparkly. Look how gorgeous that is. And then 2, it die cuts beautifully. Even with intricate die cuts, no glitter comes off of this paper, and you can die cut it with any of your favorite dies, or of course you could trim it down for little strips on your cards or anything like that. And I am just in love with these colors. They're so sparkly and so gorgeous. Next up, we wanted to show you a comparison with our brand new colors compared to existing colors. So Amethyst is brand new, and then our purple and grape colors are older colors. So you can see how it really fills in those gorgeous shades of purple. Then here we have the brand new magenta, which is that really bright pink, and then the brand new softer rose. And then we're going to compare this to our existing pink color. So you can see again how we now have this like nice little shade of all of those pinks. I really like those together. They just feel magical. Then here we have our brand new sapphire, which is, I think it's the prettiest one in person. It's just so gorgeous. And we're going to compare that to aquamarine, which is also brand new. And then we're going to bring in our existing sky blue. So you can see the differences between all of those and kind of see what might look great in your stash of sparkle cardstocks. Now these are our brand new washi tapes, and first up we have our happy leaf washi tape, and it's filled with cute little happy leaves with those most adorable little smiley faces in this fun kind of rainbow of fall colors, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. I love these washi tapes for adding to the inside of my cards, to my envelopes, onto tags, onto gift bags or gift wrapping. I just think they're just so much fun. And then this one is our Hocus Pocus washi tape. If you're a fan of our book club washi tape, which is our our book theme washi tape. This is the Halloween version. It's got super cute books and little potion bottles and little critters and all sorts of fun Halloweeny things. And I love that gorgeous like gradient sky in the background. It just makes me smile. I am in love with it. Next up, we're going to take a look at our new tiny treasures, and this is the Halloween Moon and Star clay pieces. I love these so much. They are great in shakers. They're also great glued as like individual accents onto your cards too. I think they are so much fun. This one has these really great Halloween colors. It has stars and purple and little moons and little sprinkle shapes that I just love. And here you can see a fun little close-up of these, and this is perfect in our new potion bottles or any Halloween cards. Now these are our Halloween sequin mix. I love this so much. It has purple stars, bats, witches, ghosts, and pumpkins. They are a larger size, which I think is so much fun in shakers, and I'm going to use them in a little bit in a card. Look at those guys. Aren't they adorable? Next up, we have our purple stars confetti. I love these so much because you have these really cute purple stars. They have this gorgeous iridescence to them, and they're really great for Halloween projects, but also year-round too. I love them in our potion bottle shakers, and I also like adding a drop of glue onto my projects and adding these on as like little decorations around my sentiment. Now here's my favorite one. It's our fall leaf confetti mix, and look at these leaves. They are so beautiful. They're a mixture of gold leaves and then kind of like a magenta-y color, but when the light hits them, look at that. They just change colors. They really look like the beautiful real fall leaf colors, and I just think they're just stunning. I like looking at these. Like I just look at them for fun, and then I put them back in the bottle because I think they are just so pretty, and the way they pick up the light is just stunning. Then next we have our iridescent stars confetti. I love these. They're clear with this beautiful iridescence on them, and there's two different sizes in them, and they're pretty tiny little stars. They are so cute. I think I just add them to every shaker now. I like adding them to other mixes that I'm going to do because they just add that beautiful sparkle, and there's something about the tiny stars that I think are just so pretty and so gorgeous. And then next up, I wanted to show you a few of these little tiny treasures in action. So in this little potion bottle here, I have the purple stars confetti, the iridescent stars, and then also the Halloween clay pieces, and I think they are just so gorgeous. And then in this card, we combined our beautiful new fall leaf sequins with our original iridescent sequins and also the iridescent stars too. And all of these together look so gorgeous. And look at when the light hits those leaves. I mean, it's just so pretty. And I love adding the larger sequins in there. It helps the leaves move around, and it just adds that little extra sparkle that I think is so gorgeous. And then here we have a brand new product. These are our vinyl stickers. They are super durable. They have a matte finish, and they are dishwasher safe and waterproof, which means that you can put them on your water bottles. I also love putting them onto my laptop or binders. We have one with the lawnfawn logo, and then we have some with some of our brand new characters like our cute moth, and then some of our favorites like our hedgehog, who is my son's favorite, so we just had to make him. I also love that we have both the fox and the bunny reading, which I think is perfect for back to school, and I think these turn out so cute on water bottles. I've been decorating every water bottle I have, and they look so adorable, and they are just so much fun. And I love that I can now add my favorite characters to some of my fun things around the house so that they can just make me smile all day. Next up, I thought it would be fun to create a quick and easy shaker card using some of these new products. So here I have some of that gorgeous haunted house paper from the Stripes and Sprinkles Autumn, which is that great gray. And then we're going to be die cutting our spiderweb backdrop here out of some black licorice cardstock. And to make this a shaker, I'm going to use some 1/8 inch double-sided tape all of the way around the frame. I've also added a little piece to the middle of the spiderweb there just to hold on my piece of acetate. And so I've trimmed down a piece of acetate that's 5.5 by 4.25, and that's the size of the backdrop die too. And we're going to layer that on the back, making this our shaker window. And I thought this would be really fun for Halloween to have the spiderweb and then lots of fun little shaker bits in the background. Next, I'm going to create the area for my shaker pieces to move around in. And this is going to be a card where the whole thing is a shaker, which I think is really fun. And so I'm using the 3D foam strips here. And these are the perfect size because they fit behind the frame of all of our backdrop dies. And so I'm going to layer these all around the edges of the back part of the shaker here. And I like doing a stack of 2 foam strips. So here I'm going to peel up the liner paper and stack a whole nother foam strip on top. This extra height really helps your shaker pieces move around inside, which I think makes the shaker even more fun. And so I'm going to go all of the way around this entire frame here and make sure that I have a double stack of foam strips going all of the way around. Then once I have all of my foam strips stacked, what I like to do is I like to use my anti-static powder tool to remove any excess stickiness that might be along the inside of the foam. And so you'll see I'm just going to take this little thing and just rub it all of the way around the inside of it. And this has kind of like a baby powder inside of it, and so that'll just take away any excess tackiness. You can also use one of these kind of pouches that are good for anti-static tool, and I really like these too because they really make the back panel like move really well and not get staticky. I live in a very dry place, so I have to worry about static a lot, and those pouches are really good for that. So for this, we're going to be using the new Halloween sequin mix, the new iridescent stars, and then we're also going to be using clear sequins. I really like adding the clear sequins because they really help things move along on the inside. I love adding to shakers. I don't know why, but it makes me feel like I'm making like my own little potion or something. Like I'm going to open up my little bottles and add a little of this and a little of that. And one thing about me and shakers is for some reason I either add too little or too much. I can't find that perfect middle ground. And I will say that in this shaker, I happen to have added too much, but it's still fun though. I still like it. It still looks really cool. But I think if I made it again, I would probably add a few less of the Halloween sequins inside. Then we can peel up the liner paper on all of those foam strips, and then we're going to add our window piece on top, which is the piece with the spider web and the frame. And this is when I started realizing that this card looked a little chaotic, but you know what? It's Halloween. It works. I think it's super fun. But I also think this design would be really cute if you just used a black like rectangle frame instead of the one with the spider web so that you could really see the sequin bits. But I decided to just go along with it. Super cute. And what does a cute card need? It needs cute critters. So here I brought out my Simply Celebrate Squirrel stamp set, which I stamped and die cut, and now we're adding some fun color too. And then I decided to bring out the brand new All the Witch Hats. It's a little mini set that turns any of your favorite stamp sets into a Halloween set by creating these super cute witch hats in different sizes and styles that you can layer on to your characters. And so that's what we're going to do with these squirrels. We're going to make them Halloween squirrels. We were joking earlier, like maybe they go trick-or-treating for acorns. I think it's adorable and just so fun to think of. And so I went ahead and added some color to those cute witches hats, and we're going to add some tape runner to the back of these and then layer them onto some of the squirrels in this little row of squirrels. Isn't that so cute? I also love that it has that squirrel there who's throwing up his arms. I call him the yay squirrel. And so it's going to look like he threw up all the sequins kind of up into the air. I just think it's really cute and funny. So we're going to add all of those fun little witch hats onto the squirrels. And now we can start adding these things into the card. And for our sentiment, I wanted to use the giant Hocus Pocus die, and so I die cut it of the brand new Amethyst Sparkle cardstock, which is so gorgeous. We're going to add some liquid glue to the back, and then I'm going to layer it over another one that I die cut out of white cardstock. And when we layer it, we're going to shift it over to the right just a little bit, and that's going to give it this nice shadow, which is also going to help it pop on the background that's kind of busy. The bright white is really going to help your eyes focus on the sentiment a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my cute little witch squirrels here, and we're going to add some foam squares to the back of that, and then we can peel up the liner paper, and I'm going to layer them on the bottom of the card, like right at the frame, which I think is going to look really, really cute. And then we can go ahead and add the sentiment into there. So I'm going to add some liquid glue onto the back of the sentiment and then layer that onto this card too. And the sparkle looks just so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with these sparkle cardstocks. I think they're so pretty. And I like that the amethyst is going to match the purple stars that are in our fun little shaker mix there, which I think looks really, really cute and kind of ties it all together along with the little purple band on the witch hats. Now here is a standard size card base. It's 5.5 by 4.25, and then we can layer this whole panel on top. And now this fun shaker card is all done. I absolutely love all those little shaker bits moving around. They are so cute and so adorable, and I think this is just so much fun. It's super cute for Halloween. I love all these little pieces moving around, and I love the idea of adding witch hats to your favorite critters so that you can bring them on to all of your fun shaker and adorable Halloween cards. And then next up, we have some incredible cards by the design team. And first up, we have one by Grace, which features the new Stripes and Sprinkles paper. I love that beautiful scalloped frame featuring our brand new fall mice, which I think are so cute and so perfect for the season. Next up, Jennifer used our new Happy Leaf washi tape and she layered it onto cardstock and then die cut this Sending Big Hugs, which I think looks so cute mixed and matched with the new paper. These fun little fairy magic potion bottles by June are so sweet, and I love that that blue paper is perfect for the background. Elise decorated these super cute magnetic photo frame holders using our brand new Stripes and Sprinkles paper and also our adorable fawn mice, and I think this is so cute. I just think these are so fun, and I love that you can switch out the photos. This card by Karen is so pretty, and she used our new leaf and acorn border mixed with that beautiful blue paper. Audrey combined the bear from our Big Hugs pop-up with the super cute cauldron and the new Stripes and Sprinkles paper, and I love these colors for Halloween. This card by Lynette is so much fun, and I love how she mixed and matched all of these adorable papers with these fun Halloween elements, including our Big Hugs ghost. And then this card by Letitia is so much fun, featuring you, Crow Girl. All of those papers made the perfect outfit for her. Jennifer layered our new sparkle cardstock behind this beautiful striped die, and I think it looks so beautiful and perfect for both fall and Halloween. And then here I thought it would be fun to show you some other really cute cards featuring the Simply Celebrate squirrels, and this one by Yanea is so adorable. I love this one by Grace and how she combined it with our Let's Go Nuts stamp set to have a really fun birthday theme. This card here by Lynette is so pretty, and I love how she used all of the cute phrases in the set in the speech bubbles. And then I love this fall card by Shari. It's just adorable, and I love the phrase that says, "Sorry, this card is acorny." And then here is one more super cute squirrel card by Minnie that is just adorable with that fence and those cute little squirrels all walking around. They're just so fun. So we cannot wait to see all of your projects featuring new paper, sparkle cardstock, new tiny treasures, washi tape, and even the new vinyl stickers. So make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye.